Welcome to PCS Current News program. The topic of discussion is Konark wheels installed at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Four sandstone replicas of the iconic Konark wheels from Odisha's Sun Temple have been installed at Rashtrapati Bhavan Cultural Center and Amrit Udyan in New Delhi. The initiative aims to highlight India's rich heritage and introduce traditional cultural elements to visitors at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The installation represents a larger effort to integrate cultural and historical icons into prominent public spaces. This installation is part of broader initiatives to integrate India's traditional art and culture into government spaces, enhancing public engagement with India's heritage. Now moving on to significance of the Konark wheels. The Konark wheels are part of the Konark Sun Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a masterpiece of Odishan temple architecture. Each wheel is intricately carved, symbolizing India's artistic and architectural achievements during the 13th century. These wheels not only represent the passage of time but are also believed to function as sundials, showcasing the scientific knowledge of the era. The Konark wheels are symbols of India's cultural legacy and historical pride, embodying the architectural finesse of ancient India. They reflect the temple's dedication to Surya, the sun god, and are admired for their complex carvings and design. By showcasing these replicas, Rashtrapati Bhavan promotes awareness of India's ancient craftsmanship and spiritual heritage among national and international visitors. Now is the time for practice question. Where were the replicas of the Konark wheels recently installed? India Gate, Qutub Minar Complex, Rashtrapati Bhavan Cultural Center and Amrit Udyan or Red Fort? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.